This presentation is about SAUH BERLABUH, or the Fishermen Cultural Hub in BAGAN AJAM, PULAU PINANG, that redefines fishermen's water villages and activities as future-ready cultural and technological landscapes. Our team brings together expertise in architecture, geography, and heritage studies, enabling us to address design, placemaking, and cultural continuity in tandem. Guided by a shared vision, we aim to restore dignity and resilience to Malaysia's fishing villages while embedding cultural identity within future-ready development. Fishing has long defined the alam Melayu, where coastal life shaped settlements, traditions, and community bonds. In Malaysia, fishermen's villages reflect this harmony with nature, weaving livelihood and culture. Once deeply tied to their ecosystems, these water villages now inspire SAUH BERLABUH, reimagining tradition as innovation to build resilient, future-ready coastal communities. Today, Malaysia's fishing villages face mounting challenges: decaying infrastructure, poor sanitation, and outdated facilities, tourism pressures eroding communal spaces, and environmental decline threatening livelihoods. With youth migration and official neglect branding them informal settlements, these communities risk losing both their traditions and cultural heritage. This innovation, the Fishermen Cultural Hub, merges traditional Malay water village forms with modern resilience, open layouts for light and airflow, elevated structures against flooding, and a core of learning, market, and exhibition spaces that unite education, livelihood, and tourism in a sustainable design. The proposed site in BAGAN AJAM, PULAU PINANG, near Butterworth's Trunk Road, thrives with a lively morning market and a popular beach, making it a socially vibrant and culturally significant setting for the Fishermen Cultural Hub. More than a building, the hub strengthens the fishery chain with hygienic facilities, bridges tradition and sustainable skills, and provides flexible spaces for interaction, serving as both economic and cultural catalyst. The ground floor integrates markets, fish processing, and public spaces for festivals and gatherings. Framed by sea views and direct water access, the design nurtures community interaction and a strong sense of place while sustaining Malay cultural identity. The first floor blends management, commerce, and education, with offices, markets, and training spaces that connect traditional fishing to sustainable practices. A sea view restaurant, fish drying area, and commercial units offer cultural experiences and entrepreneurial opportunities, reinforcing the hub as a center of economy, learning, and community. The second floor celebrates tradition and togetherness, with a communal dining space for sharing meals and a reintroduced fish drying area that preserves both function and cultural heritage. The hub rests on three pillars: community attachment, ecological respect, and economic resilience. Elevated stilted forms recall Malay water villages, using timber, bamboo, and recycled hardwood alongside concrete for durability. Songket motifs enrich the facade, embedding cultural symbolism in contemporary design. The culture-led participatory design drew on field observations and cultural mapping of fishermen's lives. Hybrid construction combined timber joinery with modern reinforcements, while fishermen co-shaped the process, embedding community wisdom. The hub stands out for its cultural embedding. Edge-based planning respects sea and coastlines, villages remain living cultural landscapes, and tourism flows as part of daily life. Sustainable systems, rainwater harvesting, solar power, and breathable facades align local wisdom with global goals. The hub is climate responsive, with stilted foundations against tidal surges, breathable facades for ventilation, and modular spaces for diverse uses. Mangrove buffers and bioswales strengthen resilience while supporting biodiversity. SAUH BERLABUH is unique in treating cultural identity as technology, guided by memory, values, and settlement logic. It fuses Malay architectural wisdom with sustainable innovation to forge a globally relevant identity. The proposal has strong commercialization potential. For policymakers, it is a ready framework for coastal revitalization. It can evolve into a digital toolkit with strategies for architects, planners, and educators. It aligns with growing eco and cultural tourism markets, while local enterprises such as seafood branding, crafts, and festivals generate income and visibility. The SAUH BERLABUH project extends beyond design into scholarly discourse, with its core ideas published in the Study of Place Identity of Fisherman Water Village in Malaysia, presented at the 10th Asian Conference on Environment Behavior Studies. This highlights how its vision of embedding cultural identity in coastal development is shared with the wider academic and professional community. In conclusion, SAUH BERLABUH shows how heritage can drive innovation and resilience. By fusing cultural identity with sustainability, the Fisherman Hub revitalizes villages physically, socially, and economically, treating heritage as living and evolving. This model sets a strong precedent for inclusive, climate-responsive development in Malaysia and offers a replicable framework for coastal communities worldwide. Thank you. Terima kasih. With SAUH BERLABUH, heritage anchors resilience, guiding coastal communities towards a sustainable future.
Pergi ke muara memasang sauh, perahu tenang di tepi teduh, warisan dijaga takkan rapuh, berlabuh budaya membina utuh.